Cheers, man.
I must have drank me about 15 Dr. Peppers.
Man, you want to subscribe because you're gonna get endless of great content, and that's what we're all here for.
You can also subscribe to Gasworks. We're gonna come to your mama's house and eat her peach cobbler.
Subscribe to Gasworks.
That's right. Happy Halloween.
Yes.
From Gasworks.
And from Pebbles.
Yes, on a leash.
It was built on rangerforums.com and it's also been on 1320.
With the control that guy has with a Ford freaking Ranger. I thought he was gonna hit the wall about 8 times there. Nice work. That was legit. You've had some practice with this thing.
First time. We ain't even had
Really?
this is the first time we raced the truck.
Dang. I thought you were gonna hit the wall about 4 different times there. That was that's pretty legit, man. Nice work.
Problem I have, you can see right here. This alternator sits here on this. This is Explorer motor. I already took it all off.
Right.
It needs to be over here.
Yeah.
So I bought these. But it moves it over good.
Yeah.
This side. Well, then I run it to this side. The brake booster sits right there.
Mm-hmm.
So we were going to run a single, which Mustang stuff won't work because of this. You know, the downpipe goes down and comes around. Well, you can't do it on the Ranger. So
You just need turbos plumbed in.
really doesn't need them put out here where they're supposed to be, like an LS.
Yeah.
Behind the headlight with enough to get a filter on it, right?
So we just gotta build headers.
Sure.
Yeah. I like it.
You cut the
Sell
fucking
it
hairs
up.
off. we can cut it up.
Do what I do best.
I paid $1,000 for the whole shit. It come with
Turbos and all?
intercooler.
No.
I got the whole, I got a Profect B boost controllers. They come with oil relocator, which I don't need none of that. They come
Yeah,
with
we gotta put everything where it
It come with
goes.
a turbo timer. Yeah, but it come already had the relocator on there anyway. Hey, look at that.
I know.
Oh wow,
What are you gonna do with it? Why is it sitting there?
she's tall.
It's too high.
You can't legally drive it on the road.
We don't care about being legal. Yeah, but you'd had to do those bars in front again. So I'm sitting on the F10 chassis.
Okay.
I got a good plan for it. I'm gonna leave it like it is.
Yeah.
So I got some cool ideas for running license plates down the doors to make new door seals and stuff.
I love the vents in the hood.
Huh?
Like our hot rod.
Yeah, man.
It took us 6 weeks to
Got a motor, got headers in it, but I'm gonna get rid of all that. So
You gonna get rid of all this?
yeah, man.
Why?
I got an LS for it.
Okay. That's fair enough. What are you doing with this?
Getting rid of it.
Well,
Is it a 305 or 350?
I'd have to look at some numbers.
It really looks like a 305,
It
but
looks to me like it's a 320. No, it's not. I mean, that don't really say anything. If this is original to the motor, then it'd be like a 283 or 327.
I see a little two
I
barrel.
believe it's a 283 considering the harmonic balancer there.
really.
Yep. which sucks on the bottom end, but you spin them hard and they hold on pretty good.
Really?
They have no power, but they're cool in a high rod. What tranny's in it?
Couldn't tell you, bro. I didn't
Oh,
look.
it's a stick shift, isn't it? Nope. You don't know what it is.
It looks like automatic. Can't see it. Yeah, it's way in there.
Oh, it's a TH350. So, wow, it's sitting on a piece of square tubing.
Is it really?
Yeah.
But I bought a whole Chevrolet 63.
That frame fits it pretty good.
It does. Got a new floor pan in it.
Yeah, this is like
Oh, wow.
exceptional rat rod material.
Yeah, dude, I was in love.
That floor pan is really neat.
When are we gonna make it run?
After the Ranger gets done.
When are we gonna make the Ranger run?
As soon as you get the headers back. Now this was, I'm excited about this one, man.
I kind of am too.
She's sweet.
I like this kind
I
of
went to
stuff.
Alabama and picked it up.
You sound like us. We go to Alabama and pick things up.
$250.
You got any more?
She wanted $3,500 for it.
Oh, wait, man.
No way.
No, listen to it. So I know her from bowling. She wanted $3,500 for it.
Yep.
I was like, that's a little much. I mean, it's sitting on S10 chassis. This is the body style I wanted for her since I was 16.
I mean, it would sell for that much.
So I was like, I just can't do it, you know. And she's like, well, just let me know. I said, oh, so 2 weeks went by. I said, you know, I was thinking about the truck. I was like, damn.
Yeah.
She goes, the guy offered me $250 for it. I got to have it at the yard by Thursday. I said, you told me 35. She goes, I need it out of the yard by Thursday. You bring me 250, you can have it. So I gave her $200.
What?
And I went that night.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Yeah, that'll have to go.
that does have to go. You put a Fox body rim in it.
At 8.8.
Yep.
Yeah.
Fox bodies are narrower than
Well, Explorer.
the
I run the Explorer.
Yeah, the Explorer would be good, but the offset on it with the driveline, I wonder.
See, that's what I really want to put a Forder in. I got Z06 wheels for it.
Well, if that's the case, I mean, if you can get the like two short sides, then you can put a wide tire under it.
I got Z06 wheels for it.
So you get like
2018 Z06
get an Explorer rear end with an extra short side axle, and then you can center it.
Do y'all still got the center thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought Tim had it.
I bought all new stuff.
Oh, I'm gonna do it right then.
Right.
I got you. So I could just run adapters then if I needed to run the vet wheels.
Yeah. Or you can put a Chevrolet rear end in it. It's up to you.
Trucker in work.
I mean, it's 12 bolt.
1500 would be wide though, right? It'd be
It
too
would.
wide.
We'd have to narrow anything, I guess. I think your best bet, really, if you're trying to like not.
That 12 bolt fit really good under the rat rod.
Now look, now I got a whole truck. I bought a whole truck with LS in it. So whatever parts you need as far as that wise.
That changes the bolt pattern on
Yeah,
it.
I don't really want a full size bolt pattern. So, but I'm just saying if you needed the rear end wise, the whole truck will be here in 2 weeks. I bought the whole truck complete because I wanted the whole motor transmission, which transmission's 4-wheel drive. I got to change the bell housing or the tail shaft. So.
Right. No, that's cool, man. And brought it over. So like, we're gonna put a small block with a small.
30 right now.
Yeah, we got bad content saved up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still trying to put.
Look at that fitment. That's an insane fitment.
Building up to getting her straightened out. All that.
And those seats are cool. The match interior.
Oh, okay. So it's still in the family.
Not going to.
Okay. I was like, fuck.
I've got a 55 Chevy. I'm building a gasser out of.
Body needs some love on that.
Oh, she's pretty sweet, man. It's got the ittiest bittiest little.
Homemade
Intake.
intake.
It's adorable, man. You still have subwoofers in it?
Yeah, it's got all the wire right there.
Right on.
It's going back in too.
The pipe sticker, man. That's pretty awesome, dude. Yeah, that car is really sweet. I love the wheels on it.
Yeah, I like it.
I like the way they sit.
This one's next after they get the truck fixed up.
Hell yeah.
The other truck, the old truck. What'd you do with that rusted ass pile of metal you were gonna save in the field?
We crushed it with the tractor and put it through the scales at
Did
Alawines.
you really?
Which one are you talking
The
about?
one you pulled out of that guy's yard, the field over there. When you said you were gonna save this one.
Are you talking about the International?
The big 4-door car.
Big
It was
4-door
sitting right
car.
up front when I come over there that day.
The silver.
Oh,
The
one that came with the International. There's two of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we crushed it with
We
the
crushed
tractor.
them because like, it was just too much to put on our plate.
We
And they
do-
were pretty bad.
We tried to
bad.
sell them for scrap prices on Facebook Marketplace,
We tried
but
to sell
nobody would buy them.
I
Nobody
couldn't
wanted
put
them.
it together in my head that how they would look good. How like in my thoughts, you know what I mean?
Right.
Like, you know how you picture something and you're like, okay, it needs to look like this, and I just couldn't put it together in my head where I would section
Those
it
cars are
top
done
and
for.
make it cut.
Subscribe to Gasworks or your corn will rot.
We got Jim's car pushed back in the corner over there now.
Not for any other reason than we're not done with this.
Yeah, we're not entirely done with it just yet. We got just a few little pieces to add on to it before it's driving and stuff. We got a bunch of body work to finish. Anyways, we've cleared space so we can pull in a Ranger. Dangerous Rangerous Abdominus Ranger. It's the dominant Ranger. We're just out here to make you people happy. Like, why do you people have to be so upset? Clowns will eat your babies.
It's the Halloween edition. That's what's gonna happen to you if you don't subscribe to Gasworks. We're gonna simulate it to your house.
Yeah, so he can lick his butt cheeks clean in your place while you try to eat food. What's up, brother?
Hey, man.
How are you?
Good.
So we got the old girl here now.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
David.
David?
Yep. And that's Zach. That's Zach's truck.
This is Zach over here.
Yep.
Awesome. We got the 302 sitting in it. She's sweet. Hell yeah.
One manifold off.
Itty bitty little manifolds.
Yeah.
They're tiny. I guess you don't need very much when you got twin turbos.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Y'all got a lot of ring gap in that thing?
Stock block, man.
Stock ring gap? You're not gonna be able to put much boost on it.
It'll make 500. That's about it.
As long as it doesn't push them rings together, it'll blow the ring landings, clean out them pistons.
Yeah, then it'll be fun.
Yeah, yeah. These
long as
blocks
he-
are
long
a
as he's
dime a
driving.
dozen.
As long as he's driving, it's all right.
Yeah, right? Guess we're gonna roll it back. Yeah, like a tater chip. There she is. Man, that blue looks pretty in this light. Oh yeah.
Torque converter.
Oh no, we won't have to move this around, I don't think.
What flavor air freshener is this? We got rainforest mist and black ice. That's sweet. It smells nice in here.
Like that 70.
So this is our next project here. This is a 5-liter dangerous Rangerous, and it is getting twin turb skis. It has a automatic transmission in it, I believe. 8.8 rear end. You heard some of the stuff we were talking about earlier on it. But this is the next thing that we're working on here. We're going to try to get this thing. We have to build headers for it, make the turbos mount in the right places, and we're possibly going to button up a lot of other things in here. Who knows? We're going to talk more on this with the owner of the car. But this is our new project here, so expect to see this soon. And Sophie, we'll catch you guys later.